family. It has been almost 2 weeks since we proceed with the last lesson. So let us proceed here and let us start. So guys, on the board we are having this VIX 25. So what are we going to do here on VIX 25, guys? First of all, we are going to start from the higher time frame to the lower time frame so that we can look in for the possibilities. Okay, let us start, guys. I would love to make sure that you are understanding this analysis starting from the beginning up to an ending. Okay, let us proceed. So on this daily time frame, let us zoom in. We're having something like this. We're having this point here, which is 2284. So we can see that we have this reversal pattern, which it is double top. All right, it is the first one and the second top. So this is the kind of the reversal pattern. So here again on this time frame around this price level, we have this reversal. It's look the same like this one. So but this one it is a double bottom. So we have the first touch and the second touch. So then price revise to the upside, then boom to the downside. So now you can see here again on this daily time frame we are having some sort of head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder and this is the right shoulder, and this is the head. So we know that this kind, when we see this kind of pattern, we understand that it is time for the reversal. Time for the reversal. So this price, obvious, it's going to move to the upward direction. So now we have understood that we are on the bullish momentum. Alright? Okay. So without wasting our time, let us go direct on H4. So on this time frame H4, we are having something like this, guys. So when you zoom it in and out, you can see the good picture, and it is a clear picture. So you see from the upward here we have this, as I've told you on the before on the daily time frame, you can see this double top, but as long as you go deep down to the lower time frame, you can see it in a good picture, in a clear picture. So like this one. So we have this touch, which is the first touch and the second touch. Then boom, reversal to the downside. But what are we looking now? We are looking for the current price action. Okay, alright. Okay, let us proceed, guys. So here, guys, let us spot this. I can spot some sort of this bullish flag. So you see, after this price reversal from the downside to the upside, we had this consolidation. It was a small tight bullish flag, then boom to the impulsive move, boom to the upside. Then now from this point, we're having some sort of this correction. So we have understood that from this point to this point, we can have a trend line. Alright? Okay, let us draw this trend line so that we can proceed. So you see, on here we're having something like this. So this is the first, the second, we are waiting for the third touch, then boom to the upside. And our target will be this one, will be 2284. Alright? Okay. So what are we going to do next, guys? We are going to the H1 time frame. So on this time frame, guys, as long as you are going deep down to the lower time frame, you can see that you always having the good picture. So this will be our first touch from the downside, then the second one, then we are waiting for the third touch here. So this is a lower low to the downside here. It is a lower low, higher low here, then boom to the upside, then price came back to retest around this price level. So this will be our key level, guys. So what are we going to do here? We are going to tweak this horizontal. It's a ley line, sorry. So we are going to tweak this ley line so that you can have something like this, guys. So keep it simple and clear. Okay, alright. So let us proceed. Here, guys, I'm going to take my trend line. Again, I'm going to draw this simple correction. So you see here, we're having this simple correction. Alright. So now, guys, from this point, we are looking for the entry. How are we going to look for the entry, guys? Remember, here, from this point to this point, it was an impulsive leg to the upside. Now this price is correcting to the downside. So we know that after the first impulsive leg, always we're gonna have the bullish flag. So when it is a bullish momentum, upward momentum, we always having the bullish flag, and when it is a downside momentum, we are having the bearish flag. So here it is the upside momentum, as you can see here. So from this point to this point, we have this consolidation phase. It is a bullish flag, then boom to the upside. So you know that what is coming next is a bullish flag again. So here I'm going to draw this trend line from this point to this point, alright? Here, like this one. So you see? So again, I'm going to draw it from this point to this point, right? Just tweak it so that you can make it in a good picture. So obvious, guys, here we are going to wait for the third touch. So we are having this the first touch, the second one, and we are looking for the third touch. Obvious. This will drop eventually to the downside, then boom, we are going to have the momentum. So always look for the momentum. Otherwise, if the price will reverse, so we shall be looking for the another opportunity. So, okay, let me draw this trend line from this point to this point. Alright. So you can go up to 30 minutes so that you can tweak your trend line here like this. Again, tweak here like this. Tweak your trend line there. So you see, so make it good so that everyone can see it there. So you see, this one, this simple correction to the downside, it will be the same on this one. You see, so here, what are we expecting? We are expecting price to come down up to this point. So I hope this point it will be our entry around 21.12.267. So this will be our entry point. So after rejection came around this trend line, we shall be looking for the reversal candles right here. Bullish engulfing, or it's like a rejection candles with the wicks. So whatever, as long as you understand that the rejection candles, it will be easy for you. If you don't understand, find the book on our public group so that you can proceed. Alright? So here you have to be patient and wait for the movement. I wish you all the best, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll be the first one to get new updates. And don't forget to join the Telegram public channel so that you can be updated at any time. As long as we are sharing ideas, yeah, alright, books, and some physiology issues, I think it will help you to improve your trading career. Okay, wish you all the best, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Just leave your comment. Leave your comment below so that we can improve. So that we can improve more. Just leave your comment there. Leave your suggestion so that I will take them, and then we will find the solution on your suggestion. I wish you all the best, guys. I can't wait to see you on the top. All the best, guys. Just keep on touch.